It has been a dream of mine for many years to play a role in helping men live lives full of confidence. Taking on a wife and a son did not increase my confidence. I proceeded to make mistakes. Initially, the mistakes were small. At least I thought they were small. Little things, not agreeing on where the dishes belong in the cupboards, or what is the definition of clean when it comes to how clean the kitchen is. But several weaknesses that were more subtle, harder to define, were even more damaging. The psychological betrayals left my wife traumatized, and the confusion and fear drove me to start studying how to build and rebuild trust. The first reoccurring dilemma I found with the men was they needed to gain their own self-mastery first. They needed to understand their occasional or reoccurring or significant behaviors that were causing the trauma. We are warned sexually disloyal behavior can be traumatizing for wives. A husband using pornography has many painful interpretations for the woman, including you're not good enough, you're not attractive enough, he's considering building a relationship with other women, he probably will become more interested in other women, he will then abandon you where you aren't loved, and most of us men don't comprehend that would be the reaction. In our own mind, Satan will diffuse the concern by saying things like, this has nothing to do with her, this is relevant to her, even if she found out, it wouldn't be that big of a deal, she's been frustrated with you on things before, you can just work through it. The problem with that, though, is that he's more shocked that she is experiencing this thing they now call betrayal trauma. He's confused, he is told by the dark side that she's overreacting, she's making a big deal out of nothing, she shouldn't be responding this way with so much extreme hypersensitivity. And so we get this man who's trying to tone it all down. Why are we making such a big deal out of nothing? Why are we freaking out over something that's not that big of a deal? And she's, oh, why are we not freaking out about it? The good news about man brains, once we understand something in its true form, we handle it well. Smart men who are accurately informed and educated will handle the situation correctly. They will respond intelligently. They will proceed with confidence in working through these situations when they've discovered their wives are experiencing betrayal trauma, and will be able to avoid becoming defensive because they don't feel powerless, they don't feel uninformed, they're not confused. We invite you to Betrayal Trauma for Dummies. Betrayal Trauma for we men who want to get it right, who want to bring more peace and comfort and stability and trust into our marriages, into our homes after trauma, tornadoes, hurricanes, earthquakes have hit. Join us. We'll see you soon.